Sound of letter E. Sound of letter R. And when they both come together, the sound of letters ER. Very good. Now read the words.
What are the word? Never. Over. Silver. Mixer. Boxer. Blender. Copper. Butter. Better. Better. Later. Later. Cutter. Waiter. Cobbler. Painter. Carpenter.
Again.
Carpenter. Scooter. Hammer. Ladder. Finger. River. Singer. Bigger. Dinner. Louder. Anger. Number. Thinner. Enter. Elder.
Very good. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, the first word is her. Action.
Her. Oil.
Next word, verb.
Verb.
Now write down never.
Never.
Now write down over. Write down directly.
Over.
Now write down silver.
Silver.
Next word, mixer. Write down directly.
Mixer.
Boxer.
Boxer.
Now write down blender.
Blender.
Write down slowly. Jumper. Proper handwriting, dear. It is J. And write down again. Small J.
Jumper.
Yes. Now write down copper.
Copper.
Now write down butter.
Butter.
Now write down better.
Better.
Now bitter. Bitter.
Bitter.
Letter.
Letter.
Cutter. Waiter.
Waiter.
Cobbler.
Cobbler.
Painter.
Painter.
Carpenter.
Carpenter.
Scooter.
Scooter.
Hammer.
Hammer.
Now write down ladder.
Ladder.
Finger. Proper handwriting, dear.
Finger.
Now write down river.
River.
Next singer.
Singer.
Number.
Number.
Bigger.
Bigger.
Thinner.
Thinner.
Now write down anger. Now write down enter.
Enter.
Elder.
Elder.
Now write down louder.
Louder.
Her.
टीचर
Done?
मेरे पापा
Okay.
आए